Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. So first of all, I'm gonna show you my contact list. Now here you can see in the bottom, I have 51 contacts. So now just go to settings and now just scroll here and go to contacts. Now just click on accounts and click on add account. Now just select Google. Now here just give your email ID or your phone number. Now just enter your password. If you have a two-step verification, it will be shown in front of you. And after the two-step verification is completed, now just scroll from here and click on allow. Here you can see contacts. You can just toggle on contact and again toggle it on and then click top right save. Now just go back and click the bottom import SIM contacts. Now select the Gmail that you have just logged in. Now just go back and go to your contacts. Now here you can see I have 120 contacts and before that I had only 51 contacts. If you have same contacts both in your phone and your Gmail, it will be shown as duplicate contacts found. So guys, that's how you can import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.